The night sky is currently ablaze with a captivating sight. Mars, our celestial neighbor, glows with an unusually vibrant, golden hue. This celestial spectacle is no mere coincidence. It's the result of a fascinating astronomical event known as opposition. Opposition occurs when Earth positions itself directly between the Sun and Mars. This alignment creates a unique perspective from our vantage point on Earth. The Sun's light illuminates Mars's surface fully. Much like a spotlight on a grand stage, this full illumination, combined with Mars's relatively close proximity to Earth during opposition, results in the red planet appearing exceptionally bright and captivating in our night sky. This recent opposition of Mars has stargazers around the world abuzz with excitement, eager to catch a glimpse of the red planet in its full glory. It is a testament to the enduring human fascination with the cosmos, a reminder that there is always something new and extraordinary to discover in the vast expanse above us. As we gaze up at Mars in all its golden splendor, we are reminded of the intricate dance of celestial objects and the awe-inspiring beauty of the universe we inhabit. Finding Mars in the night sky is a relatively straightforward task during this period of opposition. The key is to first locate the constellation Taurus, easily identifiable by its most luminous member, the giant planet Jupiter. Jupiter will appear as a brilliant, unwavering point of light in the eastern sky shortly after dark. Once you've pinpointed Jupiter, shift your gaze slightly downward and to the left. There, nestled within the constellation Cancer, you'll find Mars, glowing with a distinctive reddish-gold hue. To further confirm your sighting, look for the twin stars Castor and Pollux in the nearby constellation Gemini. Mars will be situated relatively close to these celestial twins, adding to the visual spectacle of this region of the night sky. However, be careful not to mistake Betelgeuse, the brightest star in the constellation Orion, for Mars. Betelgeuse, with its reddish hue, lies to the right of Mars and can sometimes cause confusion for novice stargazers. Armed with these celestial landmarks and a little patience, you'll be well equipped to locate Mars and witness its current splendor for yourself. Mars reached its peak brilliance on January 13, 2025, when it reached opposition. Despite the passing of that date, the red planet continues to grace our night sky with exceptional luminosity. Its current magnitude, a measure of its brightness as seen from Earth, stands at -1.4, making it one of the more prominent objects in the celestial sphere. This impressive luminosity is directly related to Mars's proximity to our planet during opposition. On January 12, 2025, Mars reached its closest point to Earth, a mere 59.7 million miles away. While this distance may seem vast, it's a relatively short hop in cosmic terms, allowing us to observe Mars in remarkable detail. It's important to note that while Mars shines brightly during opposition, it is not the most luminous object in our sky. Venus, with its dazzling magnitude of -4.3, and Jupiter at -2.5, outshine even a Mars at opposition. Nevertheless, the red planet's current appearance is a captivating sight, a celestial beacon that reminds us of the dynamic nature of our solar system. Section 4. The enigmatic hues of Mars. Mars has long been known as the red planet, its surface stained with iron oxide, more commonly known as rust. However, to the naked eye, Mars often appears more golden red than a pure, vibrant red. This difference in perception arises from a combination of factors, including the Martian atmosphere and the limitations of human vision. The Martian atmosphere, thin and dusty, can scatter sunlight, particularly the longer wavelengths of red light. This scattering effect can mute the intensity of the red wavelengths reaching our eyes, leading to a more subdued, golden red appearance. Furthermore, the human eye is more sensitive to certain wavelengths of light than others. While we can perceive red light, our eyes are more attuned to wavelengths in the yellow-green part of the spectrum. This sensitivity can influence our perception of Mars's color, making it appear more yellowish or golden than it might otherwise. The perceived color of Mars can also vary depending on individual perception and atmospheric conditions. Some observers describe Mars as having a salmon, peach, or even ember-like hue. These variations in description highlight the subjective nature of color perception and the influence of our own atmosphere on our view of celestial objects. Section 5. A lunar occultation. When the Moon masked Mars. On January 13th to 14th, 2025, skywatchers in North America were treated to a rare and captivating celestial event, a lunar occultation of Mars. During this event, the full wolf moon, as the January full moon is traditionally known, appeared to pass directly in front of Mars, temporarily obscuring the red planet from view. It's crucial to understand that this occultation was an illusion of perspective. While it appeared as though the moon covered Mars, this was simply due to their alignment from our vantage point on Earth. Mars, in reality, lies millions of miles farther away than the moon. Nevertheless, the lunar occultation of Mars was a striking sight, a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our celestial neighborhood. Events like this capture the imagination and inspire awe, reminding us of the vastness of the cosmos and the wonders it holds. Section 6. Upcoming celestial events featuring Mars. The celestial show featuring Mars doesn't end with its opposition. In the coming weeks and months, skywatchers can look forward to several other notable astronomical events involving the red planet. Throughout January and February 2025, Mars will be a prominent participant in a celestial gathering known as a planet parade. During this period, Venus, Saturn, Jupiter, Neptune and Uranus will join Mars in the night sky, creating a stunning visual display of our solar system's planetary companions. On February 9th, 2025, Mars will have a close encounter with the waxing gibbous moon. This conjunction, as astronomers call such close approaches, will offer a picturesque view of these two celestial objects in close proximity. These upcoming events provide ample opportunity for continued observation of Mars and a chance to witness the ever-changing tapestry of the night sky. Section 7. Mars in the future, continued visibility in the next opposition. While Mars's peak brightness and proximity are now behind us, the red planet will remain a visible presence in the night sky for several months to come. Although it will gradually dim as it continues its journey around the Sun, Mars will still be readily observable to the naked eye, offering continued opportunities for stargazers to marvel at its distinctive reddish glow. For those eager for the next grand spectacle of Mars at opposition, mark your calendars for February 19th, 2027. On this date, Mars will once again reach its closest point to Earth, offering exceptional views of the red planet. Until then, keep your eyes peeled for Mars in the coming months, a celestial reminder of the vastness of the universe and the wonders it holds, waiting to be discovered and explored.